Hi, welcome back to Money Wealth Builders, where we are focused on generating wealth and building money success in your life daily. Today's video topic is overdraft protection, why you should not have overdraft protection on your banking account. Overdraft protection, it always sounds amazing when the bank sets up your account, your personal account, your checking account, because it is set to guard in case you go over. We'll let something come through the account. We'll just have a penalty of a small fee, which is usually like $25 or $30, if not more. But this sounds good, but essentially it is not a good idea, you guys, because it's a quick and easy way to assure that you are losing money and running yourself into a hole or into debt without even realizing what's going on. Once your account is overdraft, you have the overdraft protection on it. It's actually not a protection at all. It's actually a really quick way for your account to become overdraft to the point to where you keep getting behind in your account monthly or weekly or however fast you're being paid. You want to make sure that you have overdraft protection turned off on your account so that that extra money or the fees that you would be penalized in case something comes or hits your account. If you were paying a bill or you went to something small like McDonald's even and you spent $7 on a meal, well, guess what? If your account does not have the proper funds in it, that $7 is now $37 if the fee is $30. So you just lost $40 eating out just because you have auto overdraft protection turned on your account. So you want to make sure that you're cutting things off, that you're able to cut off so that you're not losing funds or losing money that could be going towards a savings. And we know that savings is critical. You check out the Savings 101 video and Budgeting 101 video to assure that you are understanding the importance of savings. So overdraft is not something that you want to have on your accounts ever, because it's actually sounds beneficial, but it turns out not be that way. Such a quick and easy way to end up further in debt or further in the hole in terms of what you owe. And it's a quick way because just to look at McDonald's example is that you spend $7, you have an overdraft fee of $30, and then now you're not only on that $7, which you could not afford initially, but now you have $30 or so tacked on to that. And then if it's a larger amount, it just continues to add up. And some days you may not even know that your account, if for some reason you were unaware that your account was not able to allow the transactions to come through that you're needing to come through, which you should not. We're working past that. But just to give an example, you may have a bunch of things, like you go to McDonald's that day for $7, you go to Starbucks for $15, you go to the gas station for $30, and each time you make a transaction and you swipe that card, that checking account or the debit card, it's going to be $30 each time. So not only is it going to be $7 plus $30 for McDonald's, but it's $15 plus $30 for Starbucks, plus the $7 plus the $30, and it just adds up. And before you know it, your account is negative, hundreds of dollars, if not thousands of dollars, and you find it hard to catch back up. And that's one way that banks make money, because we're all money based, and it's just one quick way of drilling yourself down into a further debt or a further hole. And I know some people who are relying on that overdraft protection every month in order to allow bills to come through that they don't have enough money to pay for them at the time that they're coming through. And it's just like a never-ending cycle, and we have to break that cycle in order to be successful. Okay, so overdraft protection on your account is a no-no. If you have it on your account, you want to remove it. If your account for some reason is so far behind or you continue to have these negatives, it's better to just go ahead and close the account out altogether, open up a new account at another bank, and just pay that debt off. And you want to make sure that you are able to pay for things that you attaching yourself to or aligning with, because you don't want to end up owing lots of money back and then money on top of money in this sort of way. So make sure to check out the Savings Account 101 video so that you view, if you haven't already, the importance of having a savings, and then of course the importance of having a budget in place, because your savings and checkings accounts are a direct reflection of your savings budget and your budget that you have is just an extension of that. So if you have a great plan already in place, your saving tracking, and then you have your budgeting plan, your savings plan and your budgeting plan already in place, then it will allow your bank accounts to just line up with your plan. And if you execute your plan correctly, your bank account should just be a direct reflection of your plans that you've already set up, your budget plan, your savings plan, and such. So be sure to tune in for our next video. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be furthering your wealth building, because we are here to generate wealth, the knowledge that we have about it going forward. So until next time, I'll see you guys. Be safe.